What's up, AC gang?
It's the girl Abbi.
Capo here.
And guys, today we will be translating the English
phrases and what would I say in the Jamaican terms.
Yes, guys. So
before jumping into the video, we got to give 3 shout outs.
The first one goes to 215, right? 215 lick.
Yes. The second one goes to Davia's vlog, and the third one
goes
to
Davia's apostrophe S
vlogs. And
the third one goes to Jaden Husey. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe to their channel, support them, YouTubers as well. No further talking, let's flick right
into the video. Shall we flick?
Alright guys, the first one is jealousy. In Jamaica, we don't use the term jealousy. What we use, Capo?
Bad mind.
Yes, bad mind. And we'll demonstrate it for you in 3, 2.
Chatuna act like she look good and stay bad self. You know, long more that back there, dirty girl, the back don't fit here, big and ugly.
Alright, the second one is, oh my god, OMG. That's what they usually use. In Jamaica, we don't say that.
We say
Jesus Christ! So
or
one extra.
Or
G's and P's.
Yes,
that's how we do it.
So, demonstrate in 3, 2, 1.
Which one on thief for money?
I she do it. Must she get up and thief your money? Jesus Christ! Alright guys, another one is move over. Normal people will say, move over for me please. But in Jamaica, we say, smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
Demonstration. When you want already, come baby, on the front there, come forward, wanna move, forward.
Smile up yourself and let's her in, my friend. I should come in beside you.
Yeah. Number 4. So usually taking a public transportation and you want to come off at the stop, you normally just say, please stop here and let me off right here. In Jamaica, we say, right as a driver, right as a.
Stop right as a driver.
Yeah.
Alright driver, yes, right as a
Alright, come off yesterday then.
Number 5. Normal people would say, your time is up. Now, if you're on a holiday, right? School's soon start back and everything. But in Jamaica, we will say,
your free paper bun.
Your free paper bun.
Bun up.
School next week.
Yeah.
Demonstration.
Abigail.
Yes, Daddy?
What day is today?
September 1st, Daddy. I'm going to say school at the 7th.
That means I'm done. Your free paper bun. Literally.
Don't play with fire, kids.
So number 6, guys, is
let us cook.
So that's the English version. Let us cook something.
But in Jamaica, we say
make we run a
boat.
Make we run a, not literally run the boat and say move boat.
But our phrase, expression, so demonstration. Oh, come back, I'm hungry. Abby, you run a boat now?
Mom, think I'm me alone, you know. Shit, I'm hungry, man. So guys, number 7 is just a little. You know, if someone offers food and you just say just a little bit, in Jamaica we will say just a toops.
Yeah man, a toops.
Demonstration.
I been one on.
I don't really fancy them some, you know. Just a toops.
Alright, so the next one is I don't want that one. In Jamaica, we would say what?
Me don't want that one day. Me don't want it. Me don't want that one day.
She and 2 done them. She and 2. Mommy come in and man, me sell her slippers, man. She and 2 done. I want them one, but 2 grand for that one. You want that one?
No.
This have a 5 grand, so you can't afford this, you know.
Yo, me don't want that one day.
This me a figure.
Me don't want that one day.
You ever eat that?
Guys, the next one is serve you right. You know, if a child is behaving badly and everything and something happen to them, you will, in the English version, you will say serve you right. But in Jamaica, what was the capo?
Good for you. You should have died. What? You got too far?
Too far, capo. No guys, we will not add on the dead part. We will just say a good feel.
I sure did. Just kidding. Demonstration?
Yeah, Paul. You need to stop run up and down and my head drop.
Mom, I'm not drop, man. Alright, when I so. Oh,
Jesus Christ.
Mom, make me drop.
A good for you. You don't like this, so. A good for you.
The next one, guys, is the term unlucky. But
Jamaican version.
you're salty, man.
Alright. You salty, man. Or you salt, so? You salt bad. Demonstration, guys. Money.
Mommy.
Hey! You salty, man. Alright, guys, so that's 10 so far, but we got 2 more. These are the bonus, though. The first one is you kind of smell or something. You smell.
Oh, you smell it. You kind of funky.
You kind of smelly. But in Jamaica, we will say you're frowsy, man.
Are you green?
Yeah, and create one bag of excitement.
Smell
man.
green.
Smell green.
Like, are you? I check out the demonstration. Do I have
Nothing. You're frowsy, man. Alright, guys, the last one. You have the English word sorry, right? In Jamaica, we don't use the word sorry. What we use is what?
Ush.
Alright.
Ush.
Ush. Some people might think that when we say ush, we're telling someone to shut up or
No.
something. No, we use ush as like a sympathy, showing emotion towards someone. To further understand this, check out the demonstration. Kebo, come kill the mosquito here, come on, please. Come kill. Ush! She's an ush.
If you guys enjoyed this video,
Make sure you hit the like button
subscribe if you're new,
and comment if you need a part 2.
and also share the video with your friends.
Not only that, guys, get this video to 100 likes.
Share it on Facebook.
And we'll do a part 2. Just help we get to 100 likes. Alright, guys.
Bye, guys.
Represent our country straight. You same both way.